Truncate Limited 001 secret weapon. As you can see, it's like a hand printed. It's a very interesting release. It has 4 tracks. I can't get tired of playing, and yeah, it comes from the legend Truncate. There are different versions that make it versatile. You can keep it in your record bag, whether you are opening or you are playing at peak time. There's always one of the versions that you that you can play. Passive, aggressive, Truncate Limited 001. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Stay tuned and enjoy.